So division. Again, I'm just going to explain the procedure. We still follow the rules of positive and negative numbers. So division. Okay. So we clear the decimal. We say we clear the decimal in the divisor. And what we mean by that is we are moving the decimal to the end of the number, to the right, okay? And then we're going to move the same amount, the decimal, in the dividend. And then we place the decimal in the quotient. And I'll show you how to do all that. And you can find more information on this in the textbook and other resources as well. Okay, so our example that we have here, it says divide negative 23.492, that's the dividend. And divided by negative 0.04, this is the divisor. So if we're doing, and it's a negative divided by a negative, so our answer is going to be positive. So this is going to equal something positive. I'll just write positive over here, but we don't have to write it in our answer. Okay, so what we really want to do is take the 0.04, that's the divisor, and divide it into 23.492. And usually when we do, it was considered kind of a long division problem. When we do long division, we make that little symbol, the house. I forget what it's really called. I'll have to look that up. But that's how we set it up. So divisor dividing into the dividend. Okay, so now we clear the decimal in the divisor. So we're going to move this 1, 2 places to get the decimal at the end. That means we're moving this one 1, 2 places to put it between the 9 and 2 in this case. And then it means our decimal is going to go straight up right there. That's where our decimal and the quotient is going to be. Now we go ahead and do the division. So how many times does 4 go into 2? It doesn't. How many times does 4 go into 23? 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract. So this is a review of long division if you were absent when they taught that. 4 goes into 34 8 times. 8 times 34 is 32. Subtract. And we actually use this process later on toward the end of the chapter. So if you're unfamiliar with it, we'll come back to it. Let's see where I'm at. Bring the 9 down. How many times does 4 go into 29? 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract. And then finally we have to bring the 2 down, that last digit there. And 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. And so we have no remainder there. It doesn't keep going. Okay, so what's my answer? My answer is going to be 587.3. And it is positive. I want to double check and make sure, but yeah, it's positive. Okay, that's it.